Good morning. My name is Metin Arıdaşır. This is 56th part of explanation of my theory. I have just computed and I have just derived from my former computation according to my theory and formulas for at rest free electron motion forms point mass or at rest photon mass. I hope you see. And for at rest free electron motion forms point momentum or at rest photon momentum, I have computed. Then, when I put this formula that I have found these figures, mass and momentum, velocity is speed of light. Here, computation. Is it coincidence? Interesting. In accepted physics, for at rest object, for at rest photon, momentum is zero. For at rest photon or in motion photon, no mass, but according to my theory and my formulas, at rest free electron motion form that I put for theory has point mass and point momentum, whether it is in motion or not. Then, according to my formulas, remember E and alpha is equal to hc squared divided by, you know my formulas, n squared lambda n multiplied by, in parentheses, c minus electron motion forms velocity cosine alpha, or E n alpha is equal to hc divided by n squared lambda n minus delta lambda cosine alpha. Same results. I have computed according to my theory and my formulas, and I have found this figure for at rest photon mass and at rest photon momentum. Then, when put in this famous formula P equal to mv, this is the result, is equal to speed of light for at rest free electron motion form. Yes, this result is adequate in accordance with my theory and my formulas, because of at rest electron motion forms, at rest electron motion form produce and propagate successive waves, at rest or in motion, produce and propagate successive waves, and if it is at rest, in all direction, speed of light is same, but when it is in motion, wave velocities, light velocities, velocity of light changes relates to electron motion forms direction, velocity and orientation. Have a good day. See you later.